There's centralized login management. This is one of these core features you can do very easily with an Active Directory. What you can also do is you can configure file permissions for these domain users, and you can also add them to groups to control based on user and group level who has access to which files in the company. Let me give you a demonstration of that. Let's create a new folder on this PC, which I call shared folder content. And let's assume I have a group of people in my organization, the content creators, who should have access to this folder, but no other users. Just this one group. To change the permissions of files or directories, just select them and open the properties. And the NTFS permissions are configured in the security menu. And as you can see, by default, there are 4 groups that currently have access to this folder. The authenticated users, the systems group, the administrators group, and the users group. And I want to add our content creators group in here first, so that we've just created. And let's give this group full access to this directory, which means all privileges below: read, write, execute, everything. And to remove these entries in here, we first need to disable the inherited permissions. So let's apply this for now and go to advanced. Here you can get a more detailed view of the file permissions, and you can also see the inherited entries and where they are originated from. And let's disable this inheritance, convert the inherited permissions, and then just remove the entries you don't need. Like in my case, the group's users and also the authenticated users can be removed. That's how you use the centralized authentication in Active Directory to manage permissions on all your PCs and servers.